Have you ever felt your brain freeze when trying to speak English? You open your mouth, but nothing comes out. Don't worry, you're not alone. The truth is, you're not bad at English. You've just been learning it the wrong way. Most of us were taught to memorize endless lists of vocabulary and grammar rules. But here's a shocking fact. You don't need to know 10,000 words to speak fluently. In fact, just 3,000 common words can help you understand up to 95% of everyday English. The real key is how you learn them. Instead of forcing words into your memory, try absorbing English naturally, just like a child learns their first language. This method is called comprehensible input. You watch, listen, and connect words with real images, actions, and emotions. Imagine watching a video where someone says, "This is a dog." The dog is running. Now it's jumping. Even without translation, you understand because you see it happening. That's how your brain is designed to learn languages. So, how can you start learning English this way? It's simpler than you might think. Just follow these 3 easy steps. First, watch easy English videos about daily life. Okay? It could be anything from cooking tutorials to vlogs about shopping or walking the dog. Okay? Don't stress about understanding every single word, just enjoy and observe. Next, review what you've picked up. Write down a few useful words or phrases that stuck with you. Okay. You can even use AI tools to help you practice using these new expressions. Finally, make this a regular habit. Expose yourself to English every day. This doesn't have to be for hours, just a little bit, but consistently. Do this, and something amazing will happen. You'll stop translating in your head. You'll begin to think in English. Suddenly, you'll find yourself speaking more naturally, without fear or hesitation. So, stop cramming. Stop treating English like just another school subject. Instead, live with it, feel it, absorb it. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to start speaking. But you do need to start if you want to become fluent one day. Learning English can be as natural and effortless as a child picking up their first words. It's time to ditch the textbooks and embrace a more intuitive approach. Are you ready to transform your English learning journey?